how do you think that the companies should motivate the people who are outside of quality to participate and really understand that the quality is also their job? It's not only the job of the quality assurance, but it's also their job to be responsible for the quality, and they need to understand the GMP deeply, and understand also what the quality assurance does, and all what is involved in other departments as well.
So it's a very good point, Jan. Annually we have to do the refresher training, but make it exciting. Make it about real examples that happen within your own facility. What decisions did you come to? How did you get there? What root cause analysis did you do? Was this right? Have people thinking about, what is the best way, and learn from your own errors, but also learn from history. Quality department's responsibility is to make sure that this training is current and relevant, and it's not just regurgitated. Watch a video and this is the GMP. It's about selling what you need to do to make your organization better for compliance, but also for profitability. I always feel that continuous improvement should be everyone's responsibility as well. So I think really engage with people. And one of the things I've been involved with is not just having quality people to do the refresher training. It's to involve people from production, involve people from the supply chain. So it makes it feel that quality is every department's responsibility, which it should be. And that's really important. The last training session I did, I had one person from supply chain and one person from production operations. And they talked about some of the things that they've made improvements in their own departments. And that was wonderful because it brought the message that quality is everyone's responsibilities, and which of course it is.
How do you involve them from your point of view? But should the quality delegate, or what should they really do to involve them and make them feel a part of this quality culture?
So I think the role of quality, often quality department is seen as a policing department, which it shouldn't be. It's a part of the whole supply chain process of making the right products and supplying them. So I want QPs and QA associates working with production. So we have what is called QIPs, quality in production. So these are people who are actually working with production and solving problems locally. And any deviations or corrections they can look at as well. Overall, yeah, quality is still an independent department that makes the overall decisions. But I think the more we work with the operations, supply chain, production departments, and packaging departments, the closer the bonds are, and the more people share if there's an error. You see, the wonderful thing with that happening, right? Quality find out exactly what's happened quite early, and we're able to make a decision whether we segregate that part of the batch or not. If it's made later, we may lose the whole batch. So it has real cost implications for the business as well. So I think trying to build quality in and having people involved, that's really key. So to me, having quality in production is really important. And I think, you build better relationships that way as well. So you work together to get the desired outcome, which is a quality product.